got an easy button here.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.
How much is this? Because they sell those things for a pretty good amount of money, and I think I'd probably get one from Staples for about that price. Okay. Let's see here. We've got some Guess Who game there, it looks like. Some tiny furniture, some kids' furniture, some doll furniture. Some more stuff there. More papers and such. Letters. Letters are fun sometimes. Magnetic letters. There's some crayons and some puzzly things. Sunglasses. Homework makes you uglies. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Oscar the Grouch. I don't know if it's just like is it a puppet or a beanbag? Just a little beanbag thing. Let's see what else is in here. With $1.94 for a Oscar the Grouch. There's also something here, some weird. You know what? I may get this. There's some dog. You know what? Bicycle brand dog playing cards, brand new. Yes, that's a definite. Okay. What do we got here? We've got some. Oh, a fidget spinner. That's handy. Some dice. Looks like maybe some plasticky magic tricks. I'm gonna pass on that, and a water ball yo-yo, and looks like some sort of a Barbie Ken or something. Again, somebody's gonna correct me because I don't know what it is. No puppets there. This one's heavy. It's got a little mask there. Okay, what do we have here? So there's some more bean bags here. Looks like a fish and a Teletubby. I didn't buy that other. There's a little Tigger. You know what? I'm going to do that one too because it's a Teletubby there. Some more of these little guys here. Let's see. That's something love. I don't know about that. There's one of those little varmints there. Okay, nothing there. I always love when they put the price right on the head like that. You know what? That just makes it work. Okay, let's see here. What do we got? Squirt guns. Some of those little puzzly toys that you get at the Cracker Barrel, but cheaper versions. Let's see. There's ticking. That's scary. Little toys there. And we have some, looks like a whole bag of parts for a Mr. Potato Head. And we've got some more goodies there. I don't know what that is. Let's see here. No, don't want that. There's Sherlock gnome, maybe? I don't know. Some sort of Nerf launcher. There's some silly putty in there. There's a lightsaber. There's a Smurf. Ooh, this is fun. $3.99. Why? I guess it's worth a chance, maybe. That's a Nerf gun. Is it a Nerf gun? It's a Nerf something. It's probably a Nerf flashlight or something. And then solar emoji, crying emoji doll. So, and well, I don't know. Maybe you might see that. And there is the end of this journey here. Ends with, it's a Care Bear. It's a new collector's edition. And a couple sock monkeys, and it's $1.99. So I'm going to pass on that, but we're going to go to another part of the store. Hang tight.